Right, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can record telephone calls. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. It's only a quick video, so let's get started. Go into settings, go into general, go to software updates. See if your operating system's up to date on your iPhone. Make sure it's charged up or plugged in and charging when you go to update your phone. Scroll all the way down to apps. In the search box, or find phone. Go into phone, scroll down, switch on audio recording. Check to make sure audio recording is on and go into your telephone. If you go to put in a telephone number and you go to call that person, got three little dots down the bottom left hand side and go to call recording. Then it says it will record and save it to your notes. So it saved it to your notes. You can find the notes on your iPhone by going to search. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.